Hi guys, I know that a lot of you have been asking me questions as to why after installing the iPhone 8 and above, the light sensor, the auto light sensor stopped working. Okay, so this light sensor controls the auto brightness function on the phone. Mostly after the repair, this stops working. The reason why is the serial number here behind the LCD doesn't match the new replacement LCD that you're going to put on. Okay, so to fix that, okay, we started selling this machine, and it's going to fix all light sensor problems. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use this. So first of all, you plug this one in. This is the original LCD of the phone. So you plug it in like so. Click the first icon. Press this button. So it's copied the serial number onto the box. And then now you're gonna plug in the new LCD that you're gonna put on the phone. Like so. Okay, now press this button. And it's just transferred all the serial number to the new screen. So when you install this, your phone's gonna recognize it as if it was the original screen that came off the phone. So you're not gonna have any more problem with the auto brightness function. So far this box supports iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone X.